Beyond the clouds, in the mystical land of Paristan, lived Noor, a young and talented tailor known for her extraordinary creations. Noor's dream was to create a dress so magnificent that it would become a part of Paristan's legacy. One day, her dream turned into destiny when the fairy queen sent for her. "Noor," the queen's messenger announced, "you are chosen to create the gown for the grand fairy festival." Noor, humbled and excited, decided that this gown would not be ordinary. To craft something truly magical, she needed the most enchanting threads from Paristan's mystical realms. And so, her journey began. Noor's first stop was the Valley of Rainbows, a dazzling place where colors shimmered in the air and rainbows arched like bridges. Here, she met the Rainbow Fairy, who guarded the vibrant threads spun from the rainbow's light. "To claim the rainbow thread, you must show your joy and the beauty within your heart," said the Rainbow Fairy. Noor sang a melody of hope and love, and the Rainbow Fairy, moved by her pure spirit, handed her a spool of glowing rainbow thread. Next, Noor ventured to the Moonlit Lake, where the water sparkled under a full moon. The Moonlit Fairy awaited her and said, "To retrieve the moonlight thread, you must show courage and step into the lake's glowing depths." Noor fearlessly walked onto the shimmering water, guided by the moon's reflection. As she reached the center, the lake glowed brighter, and the Moonlit Fairy gifted her a spool of silver moonlight thread. Noor then entered the forest realm, a place of towering trees that whispered ancient secrets. Here, the Emerald Fairy appeared, surrounded by glowing vines. "To earn the emerald thread, you must help the forest bloom," said the fairy. Noor noticed the wilting flowers and used her magic to sprinkle water from a hidden spring. The forest bloomed with vibrant greens and colorful blossoms, and the Emerald Fairy rewarded Noor with the precious emerald thread. The journey led Noor to the Valley of Flowers, a field where flowers of every color stretched as far as the eye could see. In the heart of this valley stood the Blossom Fairy. "This valley thrives on kindness," said the fairy. "To claim the floral thread, you must bring life to a flower that has lost its bloom." Noor gently picked up a wilting flower and hummed a soft, soothing tune. The flower regained its vibrant colors, and the Blossom Fairy handed her a spool of floral thread that smelled of sweet blossoms and glowed with pastel hues. Finally, Noor reached the Garden of Stars, where twinkling stars hung from trees like ornaments. The Starry Fairy appeared and said, "To receive the starry thread, you must reveal your greatest wish." Noor spoke earnestly, "I wish to bring happiness to all and inspire others through my craft." The Starry Fairy, touched by her sincerity, gifted her a spool of sparkling starry thread that shone like constellations. With the rainbow, moonlight, emerald, floral, and starry threads in hand, Noor returned to her workshop. Her enchanted needle wove the threads into a flowing Islamic gown with full puffed sleeves. The gown shimmered with rainbow hues, silver moonlight, starry sparkles, emerald greens, and floral pastels. It was a masterpiece, a blend of elegance and magic, fit for a queen. When Noor presented the gown to the queen, her eyes widened with awe. "Noor, this gown is beyond imagination. It holds the magic and beauty of Paristan itself," the queen declared. On the day of the fairy festival, the queen wore Noor's creation. The gown's brilliance lit up the skies, filling Paristan with wonder and joy. The fairies celebrated Noor's talent, crowning her as the Tailor of Paristan. Noor's dream had come true. She continued crafting magical dresses, spreading happiness across Paristan. Her name became a legend, reminding everyone that with passion, courage, and kindness, even dreams as grand as the stars can come true.